Let's dive into one of the most practical and time-saving tools in Excel, the SUMIF function. Today, we'll show you how to use it with a simple real-world example. Imagine you have a large data set of sales for 6 different iPhone models. It's neatly organized with columns for quantity, rate, and sales. To the right of the table, you'll notice a list of the 6 models, which we'll use as our criteria. Our goal is to quickly calculate the total sales for each model. Here's how we do it. Click on the first cell where you want the total sales to appear and start by typing equals SUMIF. Open the parentheses and follow these steps. First, select the range of products from the data table. This is where Excel will look for the criteria. Add a comma. Next, click on the first model name from the criteria list. This tells Excel what to sum. Add another comma, and now select the sales column from your data table. Close the parentheses and hit enter. Just like that, the total sales for the first model are calculated. Now, simply drag the formula down or copy it to the other cells. Excel works its magic, and in seconds, you have the total sales for all 6 models. It's that easy. SUMIF not only saves time, but also simplifies complex calculations in seconds. Now your data is ready for insights, reporting, or presentations. Isn't this incredible? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DFix. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video.